Hey, what's good? I'm Sadia and I'm going to be checking out these MK12 earphones paired with these thanks to Hidizs. Shout out to them for letting me test these out. I was super keen, especially after falling in love with the SC2 Pro. They've got full stamping on the front of the box, which I love, and the back confirms the tech specs and what the box contains. We'll unbox it shortly. They also sent me the SC2 HiFi dongle DAC USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. It's an independent DAC chip and compatible with my iPhone 15 Pro, but it comes with other adapters, so it's compatible with most devices. They also sent me a pack of their high-end silicone ear tips with 3 size options. Perfect. Alright, let's unbox these. Okay, these look very cool. I love the colour. This aluminium housing is beautiful. As soon as I took them out of the packaging, I could feel the quality. They're lightweight yet solid. Not sure why I tapped them together, but anyway. You've got the 2-pin connector on either side and of course the left and right labels, so you can easily tell which is which. They kind of look like angel wings, don't they? These earphones offer 9 tuning tips, hence the 9 ear tips that we've got here. Each one offers a different audio experience. As you can see, we have vocal ear tips, balanced ear tips and bass ear tips. Full stamping on here as well, and the way that they've placed the ear tips, it looks like a bunch of subwoofer speakers. Very cool. They really do take pride in their packaging, which is one of the reasons that I really like them as a brand. Okay, what's left? We've got a few more things. A warranty card, a user manual, and the leather pouch which auto collapses. Remember when I said they take pride in their packaging? It's so simple but effective. So inside the pack we've got a pack of 2 tuning filters, which are in addition to the ones already installed in the shell of each earphone piece. And lastly, the 2-strand 1.2mm length cable. Pop this off and here's the 3.5mm connector. And on the other end you've got the 2-pin gold plate connector for each side. Alright, let's get these plugged in and put them to the test. First things first, let's remove the Velcro strap. And then let's connect the cable to the earphones like so. And then it's time to pick an ear tip. I'm going to start with the, you guessed it, the bass tip. Actually, let me just plug in the adapter first. The USB-C end will go into my iPhone, which when connected for the first time will pop up with this message. Hit headphones and you're good to go. I'm going to start with the earphones as is, but it's very easy to switch tuning filters. I'll show you how. Simply twist to unscrew like this, and then, well, don't drop it, and then just twist to screw in. Easy. I'm definitely going to test both filters out and the variation of the ear tips as well. Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks with the MK12 and I want to say that they're very comfortable. They fit nice and snug, which is exactly what you want. And they sound really, really, really good. Anyone that knows me knows that I appreciate good sound. I ditched my AirPods Pro after I tried the Hidizs SC2 Pro because they were absolutely incredible, but now I'm just spoiled for choice. The clarity on these is amazing. I'm starting to notice little details in songs that I've heard like 1,000 times before. I tested them across a bunch of different music like R&B, acoustic stuff, and even a bit of drum and bass. Swapping the tips actually made a difference. I had like no expectations really on the differences, but you really could tell. The vocal ones are perfect for podcasts and the bass ones just hit. It's music to my ears, quite literally. The SD2 DAC also holds its own as well. It's small enough and is a simple plug and play. Zero hassle for boosting audio because it replaces the built-in audio of the iPhone or whichever device that you use. We all know built-in audio is never high quality. You get a lot more power too, as the MK12 has a 12mm driver, so it benefits from more amplification. In short, the SD2 helps the MK12 sound clearer, louder and much more detailed. It definitely gets a thumbs up from me. I love the clean highs, the punchy mids and that deep bass. It's all about the bass. And on another positive note, the cable doesn't tangle like spaghetti. What more can we ask for? So if you fancy hi-fi audio, get on the Kickstarter page, which is linked below, to grab yourself the super early bird price. You will not be disappointed.